Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech video. This is going to be a short little review on the LG 29-inch ultra-wide monitor with FreeSync. I wanted to do a short update review after I purchased it for a year and give you the specs and how it's been holding up. So this is the LG 29UM68-P 21:9 ultra-wide IPS monitor with FreeSync. Now this monitor I have a year ago and it still works great. Now I use this monitor for gaming and editing my videos for YouTube and stuff, and to be honest with you, I did purchase this at the time for $200, but you can retail it on Amazon for $246, so not a bad deal for a gaming monitor for all your needs. So this gaming monitor is LG. Now this monitor resolution is 2560 by 1080, so it's a little bit higher than 1920. So this is an IPS LED monitor. Now it does come split screen and with FreeSync. It does not come with Thunderbolt or quick charge, or it's not curved. So on the back of the monitor it has two HDMIs and one display port. Now if you want to use a FreeSync, you do have to have a plugged into the display port so you can have that FreeSync. So pretty much this is the difference when you go from ultra wide. So this is 16:9 and then you go 20:9, so that's like 4 more inches on the side. So it is a pretty ultimate difference when you go to the ultra wide. You're getting that wider effect, especially when you're gaming. You'll be able to see a lot more on the sides and stuff, and even when you watch movies and stuff, some movies go into 21:9. Now when you do actually do gameplay, you will have the bars on the top and the bottom when you're recording, because you're recording 21:9. So this gaming monitor is very sleek design. I really like it how the end of the bezels are really nice and thin. That is like a big thing with my monitor. Now some people really do like that, and this is the monitor to get if you really like those small thin bezel ends. So the stand, I'm not too fond about the stand. Kind of curves out, so if you got stuff on the desk, it's kind of in the way. But you can always get a monitor arm stand or a monitor arm, attach it to the wall or something. But for $256, you cannot beat this deal for this gaming monitor, and you can do quite a bit with this. So you could do add open windows, multiple windows. You can edit, and it's a lot more room, and you got more space, especially when you're editing your videos. Now I'm telling you, once you go to ultra wide, you will never go back to 16:9. 20:9, 21:9 ratio is so much different. Now it is a lot different when you're recording and gaming, so just remember that, because your resolution is higher and everything. So everything does look a little different, and when you're doing gameplays and stuff, you will see the bars on the top and bottom and not the sides. It just depends on how you format it and stuff. So that's pretty much it of this gaming monitor. So if you guys want to check out the product, I'll put down in the description below, and I'll put down my tech playlist if you guys want to check my other tech videos and stuff. So alright guys, well, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and I will check you guys later.